Maybe you should Play-Doh. Never play. Now play Play-Doh. Play-Doh ASMR. Bro, this is Alexis. Play-Doh eating. So fun. No space. This was some nice. See? Now, we have a go see. It's so cool. It seems not. Say the second fate. What? What same was? Oh, what's that a play with? Is it Play-Doh? Play-Doh? What? Yeah, this is fake Play-Doh. What? I can't see but not like talking the same well. No, you're animated. So very excited. What's wrong, son? Sweetie hurts us, maiden. Huh? What's this? Going same? Haha, we're shameless. Where's all the Cocobee's hair? Why say that's the Cocobee's hair? Maybe because you don't want to know. Why say this? No, I get now for this Cocobee hair. Bye bye. Oh, a Play-Doh. Let me see this. Let me see that. Are you okay? Uh-huh. Well done.